I created Beyoncé's iconic disco ball cowboy hat in silver, but then decided to create it in black. I purchased these self-adhesive mini glass squares from Amazon in black. I bought 2 packs and each were about $24. Each pack came with 7,200 mini glass squares. I purchased a novelty cowboy hat from Amazon in black. To start off this DIY, I decided to take off the string on my cowboy hat, but you can leave yours on if you choose to. I switched it up a little bit in doing this cowboy hat and decided to cut the mini squares into strips, which made it so much easier to use. For this cowboy hat, I decided to place the mini squares around the brim of the hat first. Next, I followed the indents along the top of the hat in a circular motion, adding in the mini squares all around. As you can see here, if you continue putting the mini glass squares in a circular motion, you'll eventually get to the middle to finish it off. For the top of the hat, I did the same as the sides, just following the indents in a circular motion till I reached the middle. After completing the top and the sides of the hat, I started to add the mini glass squares to the base, putting them all around the base in a circular motion, same as I did for the brim. And last but not least, I started on the bottom of the hat. And no surprise here, I'm adding on the mini glass squares again in a circular motion around the whole bottom brim of the hat. This is my finished disco ball cowboy hat in black. I feel like the black just adds a different vibe, a different energy. I love how it turned out. And last but not least, I wanted to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I am just so amazed that so many of you have found some of my content in the YouTube universe. But I'm super excited to continue being more consistent on my channel, so definitely look forward to some more videos coming out soon. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at Black Charmer.